Happy Sunday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience. For now, 10 minutes of our day, we do it together. Okay, before we jump into today's message, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths. Follow me, breathe in and out. One more, breathe in and out. All right. Go ahead and hashtag your mood down below. Let me know how you are feeling at this moment. It is Father's Day, and I am feeling very proud to know some amazing men who are amazing fathers, and also those men who may not have children biologically but are pouring into our village for children as my own. So with that, I want to say I thank you, I love you, I honor you, I'm inspired by you, I admire you, and I respect you. Okay. This is going to be a good one. We are continuing our series from Dean Del Sesto, Shift Your Thinking, 200 Ways to Improve Our Lives. And you guessed it, 200 ways in this book, which means at the completion of this book, we will have 200 episodes. Today marks episode 173, and I'm captioning it simple. The answer, persistence. If you haven't had a chance yet, make sure you say hi, hello, drop a comment down below. My name's Lisa Puerto, also known as Super Agent, creator and founder of many cool things, including Real Estate 100 Youth Foundation, where we teach children, youth ages 11 and up, real estate literacy. That's terms, concepts, and careers as an alternate pathway to success. If you want to learn more about how you can support, go ahead and check us out at laSuperAgent.com. There's tons of opportunities to invest in books, products, curriculums, where a portion of the proceeds are donated to the nonprofit to continue the work and the programs that we are doing. Okay, with that being said, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share on all your favorite social media platforms. I am there at LA Super Agent. Okay. All right, we are going to start off in the section where he says persistence is that one little word that made everything ever thought of become that which is today. Type in the comments persistence. Persistence versus intelligence. Without persistence, intelligence isn't very smart. He says, ask any accomplished individual about what it took to be successful, and you won't hear, well, I started, then I stopped, and then waited, I then dabbled, then I started something new, and then I repeated the cycle. What you'll hear is something like, I don't know. I just kept focused on the task, didn't get distracted, and amazingly things fell into place and the right people came along. It's really that simple. And it is. He says most people think there's something special about those who have become successful. He says words like intelligent, well-connected, thought leader, charismatic, and more are used to describe them. And although some of those may be true, they would all be meaningless if they weren't girded in persistence and tenacity. Persistence is typically the only ingredient that is needed above all else for any accomplishment, and certainly nothing happens without it. As I think about that, I just watch what I do. I'm pretty persistent. Yesterday I was sharing about obsession, and when I think about when I was discussing about obsession, what I was in fact describing was my persistence. My persistence has me feeling obsessed about what I'm doing. And I've been reprogramming this persistence, stretching the persistence with showing up and doing Shift Your Thinking every single day. This is now episode 173. That's persistence. He says, even if the goal, he says, perhaps is typically the only ingredient that is needed above all else for any accomplishment, and certainly nothing happens without it. So it goes without saying that there's something to be said about staying the course. You hear that all the time. Stay the course, stay the course, stay the course. It'll work out, it'll work out, it'll work out. The knowing it'll work out ties in with staying the course, because right now, lately, I've been really wanting to unpack the programming, like the mental discipline that it really takes to see something through. I took a nap today, so I'm just waking up from a nap, and you can usually tell because you hear it in my voice. And one of the things, as I was sleeping in my waking sleep, right, as during the part that I'm coming out of my dream state, I was having like this whole conversation about the conference that I have coming up. And my mind started to go, well, we're in June. We haven't made much progress. You can always quit and reschedule. And literally reading this today, I'm like, nope, I'm going to show up. I've got to be better focused. I've been working all these other things. And just like everything else, I can commit. And it's just a couple phone calls a day, couple emails, stay the course, be persistent. And in my dream, I got a response of someone that said yes. I got a yes that they would sponsor. They would sponsor the conference. That yes. And now it had me reinvigorated again. So this is all timely. I just love that when that works. You get those downloads, right? Divine source is communicating through my dream state. He says, even if the goal isn't the right one, the process of staying in the game not only makes things clearer in life, it brings us to life. It's that persistence motivation that drives agendas and in the process builds our character, confidence, and a list of progressive adjectives. On the flip side, if the goal is the right one, persistence makes success imminent, and you get the improved character, confidence, and a list of progressive adjectives that go along with it. Okay, with that being said, very, very simple. Persist. Don't quit. Say, I will not quit. I invite you to think about something that you're right there, you're on the edge. And we call that a breaking point. More so, breakthrough. Don't quit. Lisa, don't quit. Keep going. You will succeed at this. All right, that's my time. I love you, love you, love you. Have a powerful and productive day. Again, to all our wonderful fathers out there, keep doing what you're doing. I see you. Okay, see ya. Bye.